Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is DOM, query selector and query selector all. We have seen in our previous videos how to target DOM. We have used the three different methods, that is using ID, class name and tag name. Suppose if I want to target three different objects, for that I have to remember these three different methods, that is ID, class and tag. But to solve this problem, we have this DOM, query selector and query selector all. Let's understand what this query selector and query selector all means. This query selector method returns the first element that matches a CSS selector. Whereas the another one, query selector all, it returns all the elements that matches a CSS selector. It's always better to understand this using an example. Here I have already created one h1 tag. Inside this I have written, this is my first paragraph. Now let's see how to access this using JavaScript query selector. For this, inside my script tag, I'll write const k equals to document dot query selector. Inside this, I'll mention dot my class. This my class is the name of the class. Here you can see. For this, now we are going to add the styling. For this, I'll simply write k dot style dot color. Now we are targeting this using k dot style dot color, and here I'll simply change it into blue. You can see here the color of our paragraph is blue. Suppose if I remove this, this will be black in color. In case if I add more than one h1 tag, I'll simply copy this and I'll paste it here. Let me check. Only the first paragraph is blue in color because it returns the first element that matches a CSS selector. But if you want to change all the three, we have to understand about the query selector all, because it returns the all the elements that matches the CSS selector. Simply if I write all here, it doesn't work because here we have many elements, so it returns an array. To deal with this array, we have to use a for loop. For this, I'll simply write document dot query selector all. After this, I'll simply remove this. We have to use a for loop here. For let x of k. Now inside this, we can apply our styling. I'll simply write x dot style dot color equals to blue. You can see here all the three paragraphs are in blue color, because when we use this query selector all, what it returns is it's in an array of all the classes. This is how this both query selector and query selector all works. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. If you are already my subscriber, then do share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.